Welcome to the Cisco Catalyst Center training series for industrial switching. My name is Krishna Divakar. I'm a technical marketing engineer for industrial switching at Cisco. In this series of videos, we will walk you through the various features of the Cisco Catalyst Center and how you could leverage them in your industrial deployments for seamless onboarding and management experience. Before we dive into the actual topic, let's see how the network deployments have evolved over the years. Historically, network deployments used to be a manual process. Network admin had to use the command line interface to configure the device or copy-paste the configs from the notepad onto the device or via some little scripts. The problem with this method was it wasn't scalable, inconsistent, and time-consuming. Automation was held up as the answer for all these challenges. When it comes to automation, we need help with the following three things: deployment, onboarding, and policy. Surprisingly, these are the system-wide challenges as well. The volume of tools we have today focused on the narrow slices of the real needs, and there was no complete solution until Cisco came up with a controller-based solution for design, deployment, and operation. This tool was capable of onboarding the devices at day zero, provision your network as per the standardized design, be compliant to your organizational rules, provided visibility into your networks, and also had the capability to integrate with external sources such as ITSM and security ecosystems. The tool we are talking about today is the Cisco Catalyst Center, previously called the Cisco DNA Center. In this video, we will have an overview about the plug-and-play feature of the Cisco Catalyst Center and learn how it could change your day zero onboarding experience. Traditionally, what we used to do is order the device from Cisco, ship it to a staging site where an engineer with CCNA or CCNP level of expertise updates the software image, loads the required configuration, prepackages everything, and then again ships it to the final destination, where again a technician would bring up the device. As it's cut over time, the engineer travels to the final destination to make sure the device bring up is seamless. As you can see, the problem here are the cost due to travel and logistics, configuration errors, and it's not so secure. Fundamentally, we need not do this anymore. We could order the device, ship it to a final destination where someone who is not so technical could power up the device, and the network admin could onboard the device using the plug-and-play feature of the Cisco Catalyst Center without going through all the hassles of the past. This results in overall cost savings. This is a classic example of the network deployment using Cisco's Catalyst Center versus the traditional way used by the competition. When Cisco Catalyst Center is used for the network deployments, we get to benefit a lot of things. It effectively ensures IT and OT collaboration. Security is built in by design. It provides visibility into your network. And the most importantly, the traditional way of configuration took almost 2 hours per device, but the same with the Cisco Catalyst Center took just 10 minutes. Now that you have understood the plug-and-play feature, let's see what are the 3 workflows provided for onboarding the IE switches. The first one is the unclaimed, which is the most common method used by the customers. In this method, the network admin has to provide the IP address of the Catalyst Center using the option 43 of the DHCP. The network admin later on logs into the Catalyst Center, adds the device to the site, updates the software image, associates with the templates if there is any, and then claims the device. The second method is the pre-provision workflow, where the network admin can select the image and the configuration even before the device is powered on, or even before it arrives at the site. The third option of the workflow is the PNP Connect. In this method, when the customer orders the devices, the serial number of the devices gets synced to the customer's smart account. Cisco Catalyst Center can then sync up with the smart account and download all the serial number of the devices. When the device is powered on, it is redirected to the PNP Connect, from where it is again redirected to the on-prem Catalyst Center, and the usual onboarding process begins. In the next couple of slides, let's discuss in details about these 3 provisioning methods. Unclaimed refers to no task or configuration for this device. Every industrial switch has a plug-and-play agent running on them. When the device is powered on, it acquires an IP address from the DHCP server and also the IP address of the Catalyst Center using option 43 of the DHCP. Once the device makes the contact with the Catalyst Center, the Catalyst Center pushes the certificates to the device, establishing a secure channel. Here on, the communication between the Catalyst Center and the device is gonna be via a secure channel. Once all the exchanges are done, the device is now available in the Catalyst Center in an unclaimed state. The network admin can then log into the Catalyst Center, add the device to the site, add the required templates, update the software image, and then claims the device. The next method is the pre-provision workflow, where the provisioning for the device is done even before the device is powered on or even before it arrives at the site. In this workflow, the serial number of the devices have to be uploaded onto the Catalyst Center well in advance. The network admin gets the list of serial number for all the devices and prepares for pre-provisioning. He adds and claims the device, attaches the required CLI templates, chooses the software image. When the device gets powered on, it goes through the usual process like the unclaimed workflow, and the claim is automatic. Let's look at the third method, which is PNP Connect. Cisco Catalyst Center can automatically download the serial number of all the devices and also registers itself as the on-prem Catalyst Center with the PNP portal. When the device is powered on, it looks for the device helper in the PNP portal page. Based on the serial number provided, the PNP portal redirects the device to the on-prem Catalyst Center. Once the communication is established, Catalyst Center can push the configuration and the required software image for the device, and the device is automatically claimed. This is how you onboard the device using the PNP Connect workflow. In this workflow, right from ordering the device to onboarding, the process is automatic and seamless. That is the biggest advantage of this workflow. This concludes the overview of the plug and play feature. In the next video, we will demonstrate how to onboard an industrial switch onto the Catalyst Center using the plug and play feature. Stay tuned for more videos and thanks for watching.